I let Ryley slam the door. Come here, come close. Come close. Becca, no, don't pull it like that. We're gonna do
Cassie,
one.
we can do your two?
Remember you didn't even notice last time when I did it? Go away. Now, what are we gonna sing? Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a toothless lamb.
Little lamb, little lamb, and slam.
Let's. It's still
It's
there.
still there.
Oh, there goes the light.
And it's still there.
And it's still there.
The tooth is.
Ryley, tooth ripping, take 2.
Wait,
Now-
don't do that. Come here.
And now we're just ripping out another tooth for fun.
It's not even the one we want. But,
And
and then we eat. And then the weed. And the Italian tooth fairy. Okay.
Mary had a big slam.
Back up, Ryley.
The toilet is
way too long. What?
Last to slam, no, no.
Watch out!
Watch out, everybody!
What are you doing? Come in, Nona, come in, Nona.
Look.
The last slam.
Come on, quick. We're losing a tooth here. Come on, everyone.
Get in, Nona.
Come on. My dad used to do it to me all the
Okay,
time.
ready? Everyone count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, good, no coming.
That's not ready.
It's not ready.
Leave it, Bobby,
No, leave
leave
it.
it.
It's not ready.
Come on.
Not
And we
ready.
try later on to part the tree.
Ya, che poi stasera con la tenaglia